Hello my friends, today I'm excited to announce the release of a brand new written guide for Affinity Photo for iPad. I've gotten a lot of requests for written tutorials, so over the last few months I've worked on creating the most comprehensive written guide for Affinity Photo. This ebook takes everything from our popular video course and converts it to an easy-to-read written guide. This book is designed for beginners to Affinity Photo for iPad and will walk you through everything you need to know about each tool and feature in this incredible app. There's over 100 lessons going across 466 pages. You'll learn the best techniques for common editing scenarios, such as enhancing colors, adding contrast, editing portraits, cleaning up photos, adding fun effects, and combining multiple images. After you order, you'll get instant access to the ebook and can read it from any device. I've specifically formatted the book so it will fit perfectly on your iPad screen for convenient reading. This is the best written guide for Affinity Photo on iPad anywhere. Thanks for watching, and I hope you love the book.